Royal Comedy Tour before the Super Bowl.
Miami, Florida, Super Bowl weekend, Dade County, what's the deal? I'm one of the people, I really don't give a fuck about the Super Bowl. It's all about the after party for me. Oh yeah, it's all about the after party. I wouldn't give a fuck if Reggie Bush threw a pass to Peyton Manning and he slammed dunk that motherfucker. That's how much I care about football. It's all about, the mother was married to Robert Kardashian, one of the highest paid attorneys in the country. After him, he died. She married Bruce Jenner, the Olympian athlete. Kim got Reggie Bush. This one got Lamar Odom, the other one pregnant by a millionaire. And they tell me the littlest baby girl, she done sent her panties to one of the Jonas brothers. No, bitch is trying to make it happen. Bitch is trying to make it happen. Because we living in some hard times. We in the middle of a recession. Bitches make it happen. Hoes catching it. I was reading on one of the little sites. They said Superhead house was in foreclosure. Y'all know who Superhead, right? This is the video vixen Superhead. This bitch wrote the book on sucking dick. And this bitch house in foreclosure. I'm like, damn, this bitch stomach must be broke. The bitches are tired to sleep in on this golf clubs. We ain't fucking no 10-figure nigga, don't tell nobody. We brag when we fuck the cable man. We be like HBO 1, 2, 3, bitch. Free showtime, man.
But trust me, she's gorgeous. God damn. You got you a pretty young wife, too. She probably hated you so healthy, huh? What did the doctor say? Everything's fine. Hello, Raul. It's gonna be a while. This son of a bitch is as healthy as a horse. Que pasa? I like the Caribbean influence, too. I love the Caribbean. I don't like cruising to the Caribbean because all the fucking islands look alike. I don't even think that boat go no goddamn way. Just wait for everybody to fall asleep and pull back in. Is this Jamaica? Yeah, man. Yeah.